Hey, Fozzie, it's really nice out here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's great. Back to nature, huh?
Yeah. Hey, did you catch anything yet?
Wait, I think I got something. Yeah, Kermit, I got... Kermit? That's the third can I caught today. How'd those things get in there?
Well, people sometimes wander by and just toss stuff into the water. And there's a lot of other stuff that people put in there that you can't see. That's what pollutes the water, you know?
Why would they do that?
I don't know. I guess people just don't think about it.
Well, don't they understand how important clean water is to fish in and to swim in and to make a decent glass of lemonade with?
Yeah, we all forget sometimes. Water is something we have to conserve and keep clean.
Sounds easy enough.
You know, if you'd like some free tips from my friends at the National Wildlife Federation on how you can use water wisely, write to Kermit, National Wildlife Federation, Washington, D.C. 20036.
Who are you talking to?